Just get in, I'll push.
Right. This one actually moves.
Yeah, that made me realize with PayPal now, I'm like, PayPal's not as good as they say they are.
I always thought that it would be. That sucks. I thought that they would handle that shit.
Yeah. Like they believe them and not me. I'm like, so you're basically protecting the seller and not the buyer.
Pretty much.
You know?
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, you can probably sell it. That's you. Ready? I got it right here.
That's what you call lightweight.
How far over do you want to go?
There you go.
There. The front now?
Just enough so we can get around it. Right there.
That's right, yeah, like no e-brake and stuff.
Yep. See, that's what's pretty cool. It's basically like a line lock.
Yeah, it's like a line lock.
Right.
So basically what you could do is, he wired it to the sprayer, so you could put it in gear and just, like that. And just, boom!
Let go is
Yeah.
Nice.
So you're not holding with one steering wheel, you're holding with two.
Nice. That's pretty
For
cool.
him.
Yeah.
That's why he did it.
Right. This right here, I don't know. It looks like they fucking glued this shit in.
They probably do. So what happens is, it has double-sided tape and it sticks on it, and then when they put the glue on, they push it down, it forms around it.
Gotcha.
Oh, fuck, I forgot the fucking window tool.
Did you fucking really?
Yeah, I brought a hammer, but I forgot the window tool. All that.
What do you think you're coming over here for?
To mark out holes, you want me to mark out holes?
We can do that. Alright guys.
Actually, yeah, the glue doesn't look...
You know, when you send your buddy over to, you know, he's going to come help you pull a window, and he forgets the window fucking tool to pull your window out, windshield tool, guess what? Yeah.
I had to remember to bring my kid, though.
Exactly, you remember that. By the way, you'll see a lot of this guy on my channel. He's the one that we're doing the all-wheel drive conversion stuff with, is Kyle. Say hi, Kyle.
Hi.
Bearded Wonder, that's what we'll call him. There you go. So, I guess we'll just mark out the bay today. Basically, what's going on, he's marking out all the stuff that I'm going to shave out in the engine bay. He's had an EG before, this is my first EG, so he knows all the stuff I can shave out without having to, you know, when you put your swap in and fuck, shave something out that you shouldn't have shaved. So that's what he's doing. Yeah, I think he's fucking eating the fuck up.
This guy was eating his chisel.
And the chisel got chiseled. But, yeah, so he's basically marking all these holes that all get sanded down and then filled with welded shut and then sanded down, smoothed out. So the whole process.
Are you gonna run what catch can? Are you gonna run that nice drag cartel or the speed factor?
Probably. So leave those
triangle
ones.
one.
Yeah.
So I think. See, I don't know if they utilize. I don't know if it's these two or how they utilize it. But
What I could do is, it's pretty cheap, so I'll buy it fairly soon
yeah.
and see what I need to do. It's awesome. I have work
You
to
could
do
get
now.
rid of this, drill the holes out,
Yeah.
get rid of that, and then there's two holes underneath it. seeing what's cut and what's not.
Push this corner, this whole top lifted.
Yeah.
It's all squished out. I was just telling you, there's a lot of glue down the bottom.
Yeah, definitely this corner over here.
It's all good right there. I can see it. That's this corner down here. You got it. You yourself, what's so nice off? Already showered too. There you go. Where we going with it?
Right there.
This shit to be careful with. Fall over and shatter. This is the one that cracked real easily.
That's how it's done. See, I don't know how to do that shit. If I would have done that shit, it would have been broken, and I would have just fucked it up.
Don't listen to them because professionals don't even guarantee that they can do that.
Bring this guy. You guys ever
I'm
need to
not
do
a
it? Look,
professional.
here's the tool. Bam. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Sitting talking to you. What's wrong with that guy?
They're talking to themselves.
What the fuck is wrong with him? Woo, it's hot.
And you gotta buy a big boy drill, right? Look at all this work he's gotta do. It's all bashed in from the each series. Same with right here. And I don't know why they got this bashed in.
I gotta fucking take this whole battery bracket off. It had welded in. That's pretty fun.
You definitely need to invest in a GoPro.
Yeah, I got the old school one. I gotta get a newer one. Got like the Hero 3 or 4.
That's from like 200 years ago.
Yeah, that's back. Fuck.
Well, the 3 came out in 2012.
That's about right. 2012. That's the last. That's when I had the CRX. It was white.
With that Hero 7. Get yourself a nice little tripod and everything.
Yep. Well, maybe this one on the edge too. It's kind of weird area to stamp it.
proper attire. Well,
Bam!
unless you're on the islands.
Right? Slippers everywhere. Alright guys, I wanted to conclude this video with new parts. This one, just ordered actually 2 days ago, very fast shipping. Let me see if I can. Tri-State Motorsports, thanks guys, fast shipping. Actually they had a badass sale, ESM race, they had 35% off. So, open this bad boy up, see if I can get better angle on that. Oh, nice. Nice spherical bearing. Heims. 2 of them. ESM. Stickers.
And
Lower control arms. Alright, so till next time guys, see you later.